So let's start. I need my heat up a knife. So let's cut this thing. The cucumber I got at Safeway is only like $1 or something. I'm making cucumber salad. It looked good when someone else does it, so let's see how that goes. This is Roma tomato. Roma tomato is the one that they're not very expensive, like $2 a pound. So you get one for the salad for one person or two. These should be suitable. And then jalapeno. The jalapeno, they're not that spicy. You know, as I get older, I don't like spicy food. My taste bud changes, which is good, I guess, in a way. And this is the yellow pepper. I like colorful stuff, so make it more colorful. It's very windy outside and it's kind of rainy. You know, Juneau is always it's windy and rain. A lot of windy, a lot of rain. And then we got spinach. This spinach is small. Baby spinach, yeah, baby spinach. So you don't really have to cut it. You just like dump it on here. And then I got one of the called shredded carrot by organic. These are most all these are organic. So you put it in here. And there we go. That way it's better. And then you add fruit. This is a fruit salad. So you open it up. And it doesn't want to open with my knife. Okay. My knife is good. So I'm gonna put this juice in here because all I wanted the fruit. All I wanted the fruit salad in here. So put them on here. And then you wring the juice. So I got Panera Asian sesame. And if you can get open, great. Usually these get hard to open as crazy, and hell is open. Oops. Get it out of there and then twist and turn, and then pour it on here. And then you shake it. Shake it, 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 shake it. Done. Yum. And then you eat it. So this is fruit salad. Good. So this is a little bit spicy. Good. Sweet and spicy. Oh. Oh, it is spicy. Oh. So, bubble tea. This is Master Green Latte with tapioca pearl. Oh, it's spicy. And you pour out here to kill the heat. Oh. Okay, what? So try it at home. It's really good.